Hey, loan templates is probably one of the most important things for you guys to build out in the Pre-Approve Me platform. The reason why is because when you're creating a loan and you're adding the information for the customer as to what type of program they qualify for, you'll be able to select from a drop-down menu that looks like this. And if you haven't created any templates, you're going to just basically have these default 5 loan types, which might be okay for specific people like your very paper vanilla customers. But if you have any variation that needs to be added for a client, like a customer with a 680 credit score and monthly MI, you need to create a template for that. And the way you do that is you go up to your settings menu, click on loan templates, go to options and fees, and then up here in the top right hand side, you're going to see a place that says loan programs plus new loan program. Go ahead and add that. And for this example, I'm going to add a conventional loan. I'm going to say that the maximum is for 24,100. I'm going to click save. Now you can change the name here if you want, but I wouldn't suggest it, and the reason why we'll go over in a second. Go ahead and click save. That will drop you directly into the new template right here at the bottom. You see that it's listed based in order of creation. So you may want to put some thought into how you want to organize these so that they're not so sporadic like mine. That way you can have like the different FICO score brackets like 740, 720, 700, 680 with the different MI factors that will allow you to just select the correct template and have the right MI factors fall to that client. Now in this case, I'm on the conventional loan I just created. There are 2 name types here. We have what we call the option name, which is what is referenced internally and what you'll see in this list. So in this case, I'm going to call this a conventional 640 monthly MI. Okay, now that will be the new list that appears in the dropdown. This is how I reference the actual template name. The display name, this is what appears on your pre-approval or pre-qualification letter. So make sure that your display name reads accurately and is something that you want printed on a letter. The listing agent is going to see that information. They don't really have any right to see the credit score of a borrower. So that is what the display name is for. Then go ahead and go down here and you can adjust these things, like you can adjust the rate if it's a specific term loan. Like if I wanted to say this is a conventional 15-year, then I can actually add the term as 15 years and it's going to save. I don't really care to do that in this example, but I'm going to go ahead and select no term. If I select no term, it's going to default to a 30-year and the customer can switch back and forth between whatever term they want. Go ahead and enter in your qualifying thresholds, so your restrictions here, so your default DTI, your default down payment amount. These 2 fields are really very important, your minimum down payment and your maximum loan amount. These need to be entered in here. If you miss them, you're going to throw the whole system into whack. And then, of course, update your MI factors to reflect the accurate MI for that payment or for that scenario. Once you're done with that, click Save, and you built a new template. This template now will be available if I go to Create a Loan. After I select that it's a purchase, I can select the new program type that I created. So hopefully that'll help you guys create templates, get more flexible with setting up your clients, and just really help streamline that process in general.